Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share. If you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Then we will be putting out some of probably one or two trade we would likely to be watching out for, and some trade ideas we will be shared on that Telegram. So you definitely do not want to miss out. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at GBPUSD. I think right now, I would say the movement is a bit complicated, but let's see how it goes. Because, first of all, um, tomorrow, which is on Wednesday, that we are doing this analysis for, will be the first day of the month, that is for November. So we all know that first week of the month and last week of the month, right? They kind of have this kind of conflicting movement. You would know, right? There's kind of like a weird movement whereby markets moves a certain way, whereby it kind of wants to start giving us like a direction movement, which you need to be very, very careful of, coupled with the fact that we are close to the end of the year right now. And again, we will be expecting major news tomorrow, which is Fed rate hike or something, or maybe they'll leave rates the same or whatever, right? So that will make this movement a bit complicated. Now let's see this trend with this. We clearly can see that this is a downtrend move, right? GBP has literally been dropping. Then we literally got to this level. This is the major level here, which is the resist, and this we would call as when price gets to this same level, which we will see as a resistance. We can see it here, the resistance level. We can see a rejection to the resistance, a rejection. Now price eventually dropped to this our support level, right? This is the support level. What movement next do you expect to be made? Of course, we need this movement to go up and come to this resistance level. So that is my bias on GBPUSD. The bias is to the upside. So we will be expecting Fed rate tomorrow, which I believe it will actually make DXY to drop. So if DXY drop, then that will prove our point, right, that GBP will actually go bullish. So all what we just need is kind of like a bit confirmation. Let's see how it goes. And you can also watch this DXY, by the way. I mean, when you take a look at something like this on this DXY, you will see that DXY literally dropped from here, right? Now it has now come to this bullish. There's one thing that I want us to actually watch at this level. Would it come to tap this level or break above it? If it does not break above this level and it starts dropping, then definitely you would see an upward movement on GBP We all know there's kind of like a correlation to GBP and DXY, GBP and DXY, right? So, but if in case this DXY continues to push up and even give us a new higher highs, then sorry, this GBP will continue to drop. So just pay attention to DXY, what it says, and also pay attention to the news that will play out. Then from Thursday, then we can now get a clear direction move on GBP But right now, the move is a bit directionless. But let's see how it plays out tomorrow.